What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are looking at Atom Cosmos. Surprisingly enough, we did have this beautiful falling wedge on the weekly. Took a while for it to play out, but we did get 65% upside targets. We tried to break it twice. Couldn't do it. Didn't have enough. So we decided to retrace a little bit. Let's go out to the daily. Checking out what happened on the daily. So we can see a peak right here. You can see your relative strength was quite high in overbought territory. We pulled back slightly. We set a higher high, lower relative strength. This is hidden bearish divergence. Insult to injury, we created another higher high and much lower relative strength. So that was due for a solid pullback, but it does look like we backtested the 200 daily simple moving average, and we found support at this $8.81 level. Now we're just fighting to go back up. Noted you're in bearish control zone. You're also low on your stochastics on the daily. I do believe it's getting ready for your next leg higher. That's actually surprising to me. But when it comes to the 4 hour looks like it might need to cool off a little bit. It just might. Coming out to the 1 hour, it does look like you want to push up higher. So what we could see is a bit of a push. Maybe overnight, you might end up seeing a little rise. Anywhere between like 17 to 59%. Yes, I said weird numbers like that, but that's just the market we're in. But we could see something like that, and that's all because the daily has reset so low. So sometimes you'll see the 4 hour will get ignored for a day or two, but in the end you'll see a pullback, which a more likely scenario, you break above this 1165 and then you pull back down just to get a back test, or even worse, you come up to 1165, pull back down to 1004, and then you bounce around here before you go up. But I do believe an upswing could be coming. Now, how far the upswing could go is really dependent on the weekly in my eyes. So we could see anywhere between a 38% and a 60% rise in the next coming weeks, months. Not positive on the time frame. I just know it does look like it is ready to go higher. But if you are looking to try and trade this thing tonight, you can enter at your own risk. Enter at your own risk. You have low stochastics on the 15 minute. You also have your 1 hour that's trying to reset right now. So if me personally, if I was actually trying to be more risk evasive, I would put a stop loss at this 95676 level, and I would be taking profit around the 1165. That's just my personal thoughts based off what I see on the chart. Noted you did have this down sloping resistance that we broke out of and managed to get a back test, relatively speaking. Do we have a measured move here? I believe we do. Oh, we do. That's wild. So we do have a measured move out of this, which would be measured move up to $10.55. That's where me personally, I would be looking for a pullback and holding $10.04 as a level of support if this trade setup is real. Because noted, you could come all the way back down for another test before trying to see any upside, and then on a lower test, you could see something in the neighborhood like this, where you just hit this 1004 again. It looks interesting to me. Looks interesting, but I wanted to point this one out because we had the hidden bearish divergence on the daily play out. We found support not only once but twice. Now it does look like it's ready for the next leg higher, which I do believe would be a 60% rise up to $15.76. If you guys could do me a huge favor, tell me what you think in the comments below, but I think Atom is actually ready for a move up, which looks nice. Anyways, check the description, join the Discord, follow me on Twitch. Joining the Discord, that'll be a great place to keep in touch. Also drop in any requests for charts that you would like to see. I check charts every single day, so I will look at your chart. I will post it in there for you so you can see what I think. If the chart looks good enough, I'll make a video about it. You know, the nice things. Live streaming, I'm working on being more consistent on my live streams, trying to get a minimum of 4 live streams a week. and I do that on Twitch normally. Once we get more followers here on YouTube, I will go live on YouTube. It's just there's kind of no point right now for all 6 of you who view this video. But anyways, hopefully this information helped you out. Hopefully your trades are going well and the new year is starting off profitable for you. Anyways, I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Take it easy.